Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to send email to another person using your Hotmail account. For that, we need to have Outlook installed on our phone because Microsoft has rebranded all its mailing services to Outlook. So without any delay, let's get started. We just need to go to Outlook and we just need to tap over here. And we are into home page of Outlook, or even we can say Hotmail, where we can see two buttons: add account and create a new account. If you want to create a new account, I have already made video on it. You can just go and watch that video. So for now, I'll be just tapping on add account. So we can see the account page. You can even log in with Google account, or you can enter your email. So I'll be entering my email. After entering the email, you can just tap on continue. In a while, you will be navigated to the password page. So this is the password page. If you do not remember your password, you can also tap on forget password. I remember my password, so I am just typing my password over here. After typing the password, you can tap on sign in. So we are into add another account page. If you have another account of Hotmail or Outlook, you can just tap on add and add that account. For now, I do not have any of those accounts, so I'll be tapping on maybe later. And we are into the home page of our Hotmail. So we need to compose an email, so we can see a right icon over button, so we just need to tap that icon. So we are into compose email page, where we can see the page divided into three sections: to subject and the main body. To means to whom you want to send an email, to the recipient. Subject means the main purpose of email, and body is the content, main content of your email. So I'll be showing you an example. So I want to send email to my friend Elise. So I'll be typing his email address. So this is the email address of my friend, and I need to type the subject. So I'll be typing a small subject and the content over here. So after we are all done, we just need to click on that arrow icon. That means the send icon. If we click on it, the message will be sent to the recipient. So I'll be just tapping over here, and the message is being sent to my friend. We can see here tick mark. So if you want to check that again, if it is sent or not, you just can go to Outlook logo here, and you can see in send. The message has been sent to my friend. So this is it for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to it.